Hey there viewers, losing weight is a challenge. You have to give up your favorite pizza, fries, and burgers. Not only that, but you have to exercise. It isn't fun, and the challenges are different for everyone. Men face different challenges trying to lose weight in comparison to women. In today's video, we'll be discussing 11 best weight loss tips for men. What should your fruit and veggie intake be like? How to go about calories you get from beverages? How long should you sleep? We'll be discussing all of this and more. Number 1. Drink enough water. We know we have to drink water every day to keep our bodies hydrated. Yet we forget the simple things because we take it for granted. Water plays an important role in your weight loss journey. It turns out your body can mix its signals for thirst and hunger. Sometimes you might actually be thirsty but confuse it with hunger. You end up eating a full plate of snacks instead of drinking water. Research has proven drinking a couple cups of water before eating a meal will lead to a significant weight loss after 12 weeks. It may sound simple considering it's just plain water, but the idea is if you fill up with water before eating, you'll eat less food. If you're bored of drinking plain water, you can have flavored versions. You can prepare it at home by infusing water with fruits like pineapple and strawberries. For a refreshing taste, you can add mint. Lemon water isn't bad either. You can even prepare detox water using cucumber, lemon, and mint. Do you drink at least 8 glasses of water every day? Share your preferences with the Bestie community in the comments below. Number 2. Tracking what you're eating. Counting calories is one common way of trying to lose weight, but simply picking a calorie target and aiming for it won't help. Instead, you need to figure out how many calories you consume on average and try to reduce from that. To find your starting point, you need to track all you eat for the week. Once you calculate your average for 7 days, you aim to reduce your calorie intake by about 300 to 400, and then try to reduce your weight. Number 3. Beverage calories. A glass of wine is the perfect way to unwind for the day, but not if you're trying to lose weight. If you drink alcohol regularly, you're adding a lot of calories. 1 can of beer can have as much as 140 to 220 calories. It's also unlikely that you'd stop at just 1 beer. It always turns out to be 3 or 4. It's the same with other forms of liquor as well. If alcohol is derailing your weight loss journey, think about what sodas can do. They have a far worse effect because they're loaded with sugar. A cup of any soda can easily give you as much as 150 to 180 calories. If you're at a restaurant that offers unlimited refills, you could end up drinking multiple servings by the time you finish your meal. That's certainly not going to help you lose weight. Number 4. Calculate your BMI. Many people keep gaining weight because they don't think of themselves as being overweight, even when the scale says otherwise. This is different for both men and women. Body mass index can be an incredibly helpful tool for you. While BMI is not the most perfect system, it gives you a clear indication you're reaching your obesity levels. Checking your BMI can give you a target for how much weight you need to lose to stay healthy. Number 5. Sleep. Sleeping for a healthy amount of time is very important if you want to meet your weight loss goals. If you're in a profession where you have to work long hours and can only manage around 5 hours of sleep, it's going to directly impact your weight. Moreover, the longer you stay awake, the more food you eat. By sleeping less than 7 to 8 hours, you end up adding 300 to 500 more calories as you're snacking during those waking hours. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch and learn more about 6 exercises that'll help you get rid of your love handles in as little as 4 weeks. Number 6. Slow down when eating. Even something as simple as slowing down the pace you eat at can help you cut weight. This may sound odd, but when you eat quickly, you tend to eat more than you need to. This happens because of the delay in signals your stomach uses to reach your brain. By the time your brain receives your stomach's signal, you'll have eaten additional calories. This, in turn, adds to your weight. If you slow down your eating and take a good pause in between each mouthful, you'll eat much less than your normal meal. Number 7. Fruit and vegetable intake. On average, men have 1 serving of fruit or non-starchy vegetables per day. If you increase the amount of fruits and veggies you eat, you'll reach your weight loss goals much faster. You could either cut up fruits and veggies into slices, or you can make a weight loss smoothie. Even adding spinach to your breakfast or having veggies with dip can help. Number 8. Learning to cook. If you learn how to cook, you can replace fast food with some healthier recipes you try at home. The inability to cook results in a dependence on convenience of snacks and ready-to-eat meals, which are generally not so healthy. Store-bought snacks tend to be high in calories. You can instead cook your own low-calorie food. Having to prepare your own snack may also dissuade you from turning towards food frequently. You'll end up drinking water instead. Eating home-cooked meals has regularly proven to be very beneficial. Number 9. Always eat breakfast. If you have little time in the morning, you might be skipping breakfast to save your precious minutes. You more or less end up eating your first meal at lunch. While this seems like it's smart for time, it only ends up adding extra pounds to your body. If you intend to meet your weight loss goals, no skipping breakfast. Your body will only tell you to eat more meals later. As a result, you tend to have heavier lunches and dinners than you normally would. So while you think you may be saving calories by skipping a meal, you'll actually end up with more on your plate. Number 10. Becoming more active. Being active helps, that's a given. But if you hate going to the gym, don't you worry. That's not always the way to stay active and fit. There are other activities that keep you moving. It's not always necessary to do 2 hours of cardio. Instead, you can try something like cycling or playing squash. Even a simple walk around your neighborhood would be better than sitting at your desk all day. It doesn't hurt to get those runners on and go for a light jog. Not everyone has to hit the gym every day. Instead, regular activities can help you stay on top of your weight loss goals. Number 11. Healthier fast food. Everyone loves fast food. So do I. So do you. But do you need to give up fast food altogether to stay fit and meet your weight loss goals? Not at all. You can choose healthier options instead. Yes, healthier fast foods do exist. Even most restaurants have healthier options nowadays. No, it's not like their salads are deep fried or anything like that. They're genuinely decent meals. For example, choosing a grilled chicken sandwich over fried chicken or a salad over French fries can make a world of difference. If you have a hankering for a good old burger and fries, choose the smallest size they have. By making these simple changes, you can keep control of the number of calories you eat in a day. If you can avoid fast food altogether, you'd be doing yourself a great favor. Even the quality of your diet and health will improve. Trying to lose weight can be challenging, especially when you don't know what you should eat, as well as what to avoid. Did you know that there are vitamin C-rich foods that also act as a natural fat burner? Or that stress could lead to weight gain? You have to recognize stress signs before it's too late. Here's what you need to know. Watch 11 vitamin C-rich foods that are natural fat burners. You can also try 11 silent stress signs that are killing you slowly. Go ahead and click one. Better yet, watch both and learn more about how to get in shape. Are you trying to lose weight? Did you know about these weight loss tips before watching the video? Let us know in the comments.